Hey, thanks for checking out this little quick snack protein bar chicken sriracha jerky thing video. Um, I am doing it from Siesta Key, the main beach here at Siesta Key, which is an amazing beach, by the way. I've been to a few in my time. This is one of the nicest beaches I've ever been to, with beautiful, wide, huge beach, beautiful white sand, lovely. Just the water's beautiful, lifeguards, nice facilities, big snack bar, free parking. It's just great. And so I'm going to take a little snack. I picked this up on the road. It impulsed me at a cash register at a somewhat higher end gas station, and it didn't really have the price on it. And then it rang up at $7. I was like, God dog. So, but I still went ahead and bought it because I was just so interested in it. Chicken sriracha. The sriracha definitely caught my eye. And 11 grams of protein, pretty good. 3 grams of total carbs, good for that keto type of diet, which I'm trying to live to various degrees of success. And so, let's try it out. Man, I'm here to stay though. I don't care how this thing, well, it would have to be epic. That's the brand name here. It's got to be epic to be worth freaking $7. Whoa. It's not very much. I mean, we're talking about 1.3 ounces here for $7. Now, it definitely looks like some kind of pressed product, obviously. You know, so it's just ground up meat then pressed into a form, which is typical with a lot of chicken jerky type stuff and some other cheaper jerkies. So it's not whole meat here. It does smell good, though, I can tell you that. And you can see in there, look at those little peppers and stuff you can kind of see in there. And it's got some moisture to it. It's not super dry. So anyway, let's try it out. I'm going to pre-apologize for my horrible mouth noises. It's pretty tender. Not too dry, not too wet. It is definitely spicy. It is definitely spicy. In a good way. Again, sorry for the horrible mouth noises. See that pepper flake in there? Well, I'm certainly going to finish it. It's good. And obviously for the price, I'm going to finish it. I even kind of like the portion size being that small, just for a quick snack. You don't have to overeat, you know. It's easy to do. Sometimes you grabbing that bag full of jerky and you just keep eating. So I do kind of like that size. It's spicy. It's almost kind of just spicy enough too that the spiciness kind of help kill your appetite down a little bit, but not overly spicy. Although, if you don't like spicy stuff, you would find this too hot. It does have a kick to it, and it is a good sriracha type flavor. It's pretty cool. I'm fine with it and all, but man, that price is it's just prohibitive. I don't think I will be buying it again for that price. 100% natural, gluten-free. It's got all that hipster type marketing. 30 whatever approved that is, verified for this and that. You know, I imagine it's a well done ingredient. Their website is epicprovisions.com. I will check that out. And you know, again, it's a good product, and I don't know that I could recommend it. It's one of those things. I'm absolutely gonna finish it, and I'm enjoying it. Will I ever buy it again? Probably not for $7 or whatever. Anyway, that's my little review of this. I'm gonna get back to my road trip. If you watched the video this far, thanks. Might as well subscribe. Why not? Hit the button. It feels good. Give it a thumbs up. Most importantly, have a wonderful day. Comment down below what you think about this or if you tried this product. And most importantly, have a wonderful day.